present in our daily life. Either they are medicine or they are forbidden and illegal products that we see on the news. But how much do we really know about them? We're gonna talk about two very famous drugs, LSD and Ecstasy. And additionally, we're gonna talk about a medicine called Adderall that hides a lot more in its components than we know.
LSD. LSD stands for lysergic acid diethylamine, and it is a psychedelic drug that is known for giving people hallucinations and alternate perceptions. LSD was first known by the chemist Albert Hofmann, who is also known that is the first person who experienced the mind-bending experiences, and the UPAC name is 19-dihydro and diethyl 6-methyl ergolan and A carboxamide. And the line angle formula is
Some of the effects caused by LSD are muscle weakness, dramatic changes in emotions, psychosis, and flashbacks. It is typically administered through the tongue with sugar cubes or drops and then swallowed, but it can also be administered through the eyes or intravenously. This drug is typically found in clubs and parties. The desired effect of consuming LSD is having a stream of fantastic pictures, extraordinary shapes with intense kaleidoscopic plays of colors for nearly 3 hours, but it can also be more depending on the person.
Ecstasy. Ecstasy is also known as MDMA, that is the abbreviation for methylene dioxymethylamphetamine. The official UPAC name is N-methyl 1,3,4-methylene dioxyphenyl propan 2-amine, and this is the line and angle formula. This drug is made chemically in six ecstasy cargo clandestine laboratories all over Western Europe, but mainly in Belgium and the Netherlands. In Europe, the drug is consumed domestically, but very few laboratories are operating in the United States. The drug was patented in the year 1913 and was used experimentally for psychotherapy in the 70s.
Ecstasy is commonly found as a tablet and is consumed orally. It is sometimes available as dust and can be snorted or smoked and is rarely injected. The consumer said it produces feelings deeply positive, empathy, and desire of getting closer to others, eliminates anxiety, and produces extreme relaxation and peace. It deletes the necessity of eating, drinking, or sleeping, making possible that the consumers can stay in parties for like 2 or 3 days. Some health effects of consuming ecstasy are dehydration and extreme fatigue. Some other ecstasy effects are paranoia, depression, and anxiety.
Adderall. Adderall is a medicine used mainly for patients who have ADHD, which is attention deficit, or narcolepsy, which is a sleep disorder. Adderall is just a reduced dosage of amphetamine. It's only 25% amphetamine. Because of this, the UPAC name for Adderall is the UPAC name for amphetamine, which is 1-phenylpropane 2-amine. The line angle formula for Adderall is the active ingredient in Adderall are amphetamines, and amphetamines were first created in 1887 by a Romanian chemist. After that, their use was popularized during the Second World War, and after the Second World War, their use among American citizens was heavily increased. Because of this, in 1970, the US government prohibited the use of amphetamines without a medical prescription, and the Adderall pill, or in other presentations that we know today, was created and first introduced to the market in 1996.
Adderall can be consumed via oral, rectal, insufflation, and sublingual. Amphetamine is known as a type of drug that works as a stimulant. It can help you to increase your ability to pay attention in class, to stay focused on your activity, and treat some behavior problems. It also can help you to stay organized and improve your listening skills. Some of the health effects of this drug is less appetite, pain in the stomach, vomiting, nausea, diarrhea, fever, being sweaty, and also in you consuming long term, it can be addictive and cause several problems.
As you can see, there are many things about drugs and medicine that we consume that we do not know about. There are many substances present in medicines we take in that we don't know about, and we don't know about the effects they have at the short term and the long term. Take an example as simple as Adderall, that it's used to treat something super simple and super common as ADHD or narcolepsy, but the effects at the long term can be very harmful. So this is why it's important to know and to be conscious about what substances we are consuming, and let's hope that you do the same.